In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Klaviyo abandoned cart. Testing your abandoned cart email is a simple but important step before you rely on it to recover revenue. A quick test helps you confirm that the design looks right, the links work, and the message is pulling in the correct customer details. You will do all of this directly inside Klaviyo using the preview and test tools that are built into your Flow email. Start by going to the left sidebar in Klaviyo and clicking Flows. This is where Klaviyo stores all automated sequences, including abandoned cart, welcome series, and post-purchase emails. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage more than one store. Next, find and select your abandoned cart flow. When you open it, you will see the sequence laid out visually. This makes it easy to choose the exact email you want to test. If your flow has multiple emails, make sure you select the specific one you want to preview, such as the first reminder or a later follow-up. Now click the email block inside the flow. This opens the email details and gives you access to editing and testing options. Look to the top right corner and click Preview and Test. This is the control center for checking how your message will render and sending a test copy to an inbox. Inside the preview options, select Preview with a profile. This matters because abandoned cart emails often use personalization like a first name, product information, or dynamic cart content. Choosing a profile lets you see realistic data in the email instead of placeholders. If you have multiple profiles available, pick one that best represents a typical customer. Once your preview is set, click Send Test. A field will appear where you can enter an email address to receive the test message. Enter the address you use for testing, then click Send. After you send it, check your inbox and open the email. Review formatting, images, and spacing, and confirm that the content loads as expected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.